Hey guys, can you hear me? Okay. So can you hear me properly? My video is fine, right? Okay. Perfect. Okay. One second. How is you guys? How are you guys doing? All good? Yeah, I'm in Bangalore right now. Yeah, I thought of coming online just to talk to you guys quickly. It's been 1 month. Although I'm having some throat problem today. But yeah, my throat is not well. So bear with me. My voice will be totally different today. Okay. Yeah. So quickly, we will have. It's already late. It's already 10:45. We will take a 30-40 minutes session, and then maybe just to clear your doubts if you have any doubts. So, but please, guys, one thing that don't ask a very technical question where we really need to write the code or something like this, because don't expect that I'll be telling you the code and everything, but I can give you some idea about it. Or if you really want to share your things with me, definitely, in terms of your knowledge, in terms of your interviews and everything, please feel free to discuss about it, right? Now someone is asking Fibonacci series question, like, guys, there are so many interview questions available on YouTube, so many blogs are there, so please just go for it. Like, this is not a question to ask today, like on this platform, right? So I'll take the best questions. Someone is asking, can you tell me? Yeah, we will discuss about the training and everything end of the session, but yeah, it is mandatory. Ankita is asking, hey Ankita, I saw your comments couple of times. I think you were the same Ankita. A very small doubt for interview point of view. It's mandatory to learn multi-threading concept from Java. Please do reply. Yeah, it is not mandatory, but it is important to know what is multi-threading, what is synchronization, what is thread safe. Let's see. I'll give you an example that array list is thread safe or non-thread safe. Array list is synchronized, non-synchronized. So you need to know all these things, including multi-threading concept. So multi-threading concept generally we don't use in Selenium framework, because we have testng threading concept, and we really don't want to achieve a core Java multi-threading where we really want to execute in parallel mode or something like this. It will be very, I mean, not difficult, but unnecessary complex to implement the multi-threading thing. So, but for interview point of view, people might ask, so please do prepare for that, right? Vicky, don't ask me my contact number. I won't share. You know it, right? So the future of RPA, Prithvi is asking. Future of RPA, no doubt. Like, it's good tool, like robot process automation, and UiPath is there. Automation Anywhere is there. Codeless automation is there. And in every video, in every live stream, I always say that, okay, guys, it's up to you. If you really want to get a certification on RP or something, it's up to you. It's nothing. I mean, not only for functional automation, this is for your infrastructure or administration point of view. You can do some automation over there, but these tools are very expensive. Infrastructure cost are expensive. So guys, it's up to you. Still, I don't see a great market as of now, so still you can wait for it. But there is unnecessary hype in the market that, okay, AI will be there or robots will be there or something like this. It's gonna eat the functional testing, manual and automation. No, it's not gonna happen like this. So don't worry about it. Okay, people are asking what is the future of Selenium. Someone is commenting without any proof. Someone commented on Telegram group few days back that, okay, hey Naveen, as Selenium is going to be expired soon. But who told you all these things? I don't know. Hey, we should have a solid reason behind that. So, don't assume unnecessary things. Just concentrate on your learning and just go for it. Okay. So future of RPA, I'm not sure about it. I don't know how exactly they will be adapted by the companies and all those things, but let's see what happens. Okay, so it's up to you. Still, I won't advise you to learn, go for RPA and paying unnecessary fees in the market, and these tools people are taking a lot of high charge to train you in RPA and all, and certification also. So just forget about RPA and all those things, right? Cool. Congratulations, Satish. You got the job. Nice. So, oh, sorry. Uh, yeah, guys, we will talk about the training and everything later. It's not about the training. This session is not for the training. Anish, I've already prepared one video, right? So about the how to execute only the failure test cases alone with the help of retry logic and everything. So please watch that video once again. We can achieve synchronization in collection. Of course we can achieve. Some classes are synchronized, some classes are not synchronized. So there are certain collection synchronized methods are available, mechanisms are available. So let's see, array list is non-synchronized. So if you really want to make array list synchronized, that option is also possible. So first you should know what is synchronization, what is thread safe. Synchronization means, let's see, one object is there and this is a thread. Let's see, two threads are there. So this thread, synchronization means that thread safe means at a time only one thread can attack. So let's see, this is the object and one thread is um, performing some action on this particular thread. Now the second thread is there. This guy will wait for it, right? Because now this is a lock condition. So this guy is using, the first thread is using this particular object. Once this action is free, right, now the second thread will be there. So array lists, they behave like this. That's why the performance and all those things will impact. So you need to know what is synchronization, what is thread safe, and all those things. So maybe I can prepare some video. I'm not really getting enough time to work upon the collection videos and all, but please, it's a very interesting thing, synchronization and how to achieve synchronization in Selenium, I mean in Java and all. It's nothing related to Selenium actually. Okay, so difference between API and framework, Mohan, what kind of question it is? It's totally, API is what? API is application programming interface, which are available in the form of web services, which are available in the form of libraries. Selenium is having its own APIs. So with the help of using these APIs, we have to create the framework, right? We have to design the data-driven approach or hybrid framework or design patterns we have to use like page object model and all those things. We will be using different APIs, let's say Log4j API or Apache Py API or Selenium APIs, and we have to automate the things and we have to design the framework. So this is the basic difference between API and framework, right? Weight makes script fragile. What's the best way to handle weights? Come on, no weights. How can you say that? If you're talking about weights, means static weight will make it. Obviously, you have to pause the script with a static weight. So never use red.sleep. Best way of using weights and synchronization in Selenium or in any automation tool, provide explicitly weight, right? Explicitly for a specific element, you are going to wait for that specific element or provide the fluent weight, right? So these are the two spatial weights are available. Don't mix implicitly weight and explicitly weight. I have already discussed so many times, right? So we have to do it. You will never see any automation tool in the market which is synchronization is not there. Synchronization is very very important for mobile automation and for web automation. I'm not talking about backend automation. So either it is Selenium, APM, or whatever. Protector handles weight internally. Cypress handles weight internally, but Selenium also it waits on the basis of explicitly weight and implicitly weight. So it will not make your script fragile, but a static weight will make it. You have to use the weight properly. The best way is use explicitly weight, right? Shivam is saying he's having some serious concern. What happened, Shivam? Why so serious? Okay, so how much Java is required for automation? Fizz Frags 90 is asking. So Java is required, guys. Java is important. As I told you, it's not about Java, it's about programming, right? See, I'll tell you one example. If you're going to Microsoft or if you're going to Google, especially Google, They won't ask you any question on Selenium. They won't ask you any question on specific language. You are free to do anything. You can write your code in PHP, Python, Java, Ruby, whatever. But you should be good in logic and you should be good in programming. They are not taking care of your. They don't bother about your Selenium and automation knowledge. How good you are in a particular tool, right? So that's why same thing. Before Java, programming concepts, your logical thinking is very important. Then only you can work upon any kind of automation tool, right? So see, if you're working in IT industry, you have to justify it, right? IT is all about IT industry. If you are a developer or if you are a tester or engineer, you have to justify it, right? So you should know at least one programming language. And Java is the language which is much needed for automation, and it's very simple. This is one of the simplest language among all the languages available. So, guys, please learn Java. Please improve your logical programming, analytical skills. Right? It will help you to a lot to learn new automation tools and cracking the interviews. Trust me, I'm telling you. Right? Don't go behind these scriptless automation tools like we have Automation Anywhere, UiPath, or Catalan, and all those things. These things are good, no doubt about it. But base is your programming, right? This is the basic fundamental of Naveen Automation Labs as well as of me in my career. I always prefer programming first and then learn other things. So guys, please learn, right? So artificial intelligence, we can start, but you need to tell me which topic, like artificial intelligence in testing. uh, okay, it's not the right time to start, guys. I really don't want to make you confused, because see, if you see on my channel, things are different. Things are only, see, otherwise if you see only 200 to 30 videos are there on my channel with 60,000 subscribers. I got subscribers because of the content, which is the good content according to the market. Otherwise, I can see, daily I can create two videos and I can push it over there. There are some channels they just push 10 videos daily basis. So let the right time come, and then I'll tell you that okay, what is the right thing to learn at the right time. Artificial intelligence, AI things and all, this is not the right time. Let other things come with respect to AI and ML with respect to testing. Otherwise, I can create some basic project and I can give you some basic idea about it. That is a different thing. But I cannot create a series over there, because there is, as such, there is no learning about with respect to testing for artificial intelligence. So just wait for some time, right? Abdul is saying, "Hey Naveen, thanks for automating my career." Hey, I didn't automate your career. You selected in top MNC because of this. Oh, thank you. Yeah, Abdul, thank you so much and congratulations once again. Java certification for tester. It's a very good question. Bharat is asking, guys. Not needed. Frankly speaking, not needed, because you really need to be a good tester or good developer. That's fine. But for an automation engineer, SCJP certification, that's uncertified Java programming, nobody's gonna ask you. So you can ignore it. It's like this is just like a formality. If you really want to do, nobody can judge you on the basis of your certification things. People will judge you on the basis of your knowledge, right? So these days, like market is totally changed. People are not bothered about their certifications and all. If a fresher also he is really good in Java, he can make easily, he can make 10-20 lakhs ka package easily. And some experienced people are there in the industry. They are having 8 years, 9 years experience. Still, they are at 10 lakhs. So Java knowledge matter. Your knowledge matters a lot. Your certification doesn't matter. Yeah, somewhere your experience matters a lot, but your appropriate experience. That is what I'm saying. So don't go behind the certification, spending your time, because certification questions will be very, very standard questions, right? Objective questions will be there, and multiple choice questions will be there, or something like this. So, I mean, and these days there are a lot of institutes are there. They will give you a certificate on the basis of you, like on behalf of you. They will give the exam and everything, and you will get the clear certification, and then you go for it. But I don't think so in India. It really doesn't matter. Maybe if you're in Australia or maybe in UK or Canada. Maybe some companies they might ask, but I really don't prefer that. Right? Cool. With Groovy, Raj is asking Groovy with web services. Actually, 4 years back, I created around 15-20 videos, not on my channel, just personally I created, and I forgot where exactly these are. These videos with respect to SOAP-based API and using Groovy scripting. And the problem is that I don't know where exactly these videos are. I seriously forgot, and it's not available in my current laptop. I really need to check where exactly those are. So if I really find it, I can modify and I can make some changes, and definitely I'll upload on my YouTube channel. There are more than 50 videos are there. Catalan, no comments again. Catalan versus Selenium, a lot of comparisons. People are giving rankings, making videos on all those things. Good thing about Catalan is that yes, it will reduce the code. But guys, I'm talking about the framework part. How will you design a framework? You recently have you seen that 5th April wala coding assignment, the coding challenge? Do you really think so that okay we can achieve everything with respect to Catalan? You really need to write a framework. You really need to a good logic. And if someone is claiming that okay, hey, it will generate the script automatically, it will generate the basic script. You have to modify it. So you have to modify it. You have to design the framework. You have to achieve all those Java OOPS concepts and design patterns you have to follow. Then why are you using Catalan in that case? You can use Selenium also, right? Catalan will not give you such kind of liberty, right? So they've just combined everything in the form of IDE editor, just like Eclipse and Selenium internally, and they have given the interface. So automatically people will feel that okay, hey, see, code is automatically generated, and I don't need to write the code, and then just like record and play, and that's it. Or there are some extra features, and no doubt about it. It's really it's a good tool, but as compared to Selenium, still I would prefer Selenium. Okay, so that is my comment on Catalan. Okay, that's why if you see, so far I haven't created any video on Catalan. There are other channels, people are preparing videos on Catalan and everything, but I know what is the right time for Catalan, and then only I'll jump in. Otherwise, I'm not gonna pitch in. Okay. Oh, Manju is saying not getting calls from recruiters. Uh, Recruiters, that I'm not sure about it. What is guys current market? Because of I think current market is good. Like it's saying it's I mean the appraisal season is over. March is over and April has already started, and everything is. I think you should get good calls. April, May, June, July is the season, especially April, May. These 2 months are really good. So just please keep, because LinkedIn also started giving a lot of advertisements. Have you seen LinkedIn advertisements on YouTube and on TV? That okay, they have really improved their job section. So a lot of companies are getting registered with LinkedIn, and this is the right time. That's why they are doing marketing, right, on TV and on social media and YouTube. So just wait for it and just improve your resume and everything. I'm sure that you are going to do that. Okay. Someone is asking your name is not listed over there. See, guys, I mean, in the result of 5th of April assignment, first of all, I'm not making it out. It took me, guys, 5, 6 days to check each and every assignment. I tried my best. Some people might be got missed because of, see, first of all, you don't listen properly. What exactly I have told you clearly, please write the subject line, right? Whenever you are submitting your assignment, please write the subject line that this is a coding assignment by Naveen Automation Labs, 6th or 5th April, whatever. 4 or 5 people are there. They're just directly sending simple subject line as hi, hello, and that's it. And coding assignment, guys, you have to follow the proper subject line. Please follow the instruction properly, and then you expect that okay, I'll review it and I'll give you the feedback also. You have to understand my situation also. You have to give the importance to my work and my time also, right? I'm putting my efforts just to check your assignments and everything. So please don't mind if right, if I'm, maybe it got missed because of your subject line is totally different. So I clearly told you 93 assignments are there. I have given the ranking for 51. Okay. 51 are the candidates who are actually gave me the assignments with the proper subject line. Okay. So next time, please. This was the first time that we experienced. I mean, we experimented, and don't worry, it's okay. This is just a simple thing. So next assignment will be more complex, more interesting. So just wait for it. Okay. Cool. So, Viji, yeah, do you need to learn dependency injection? Yeah, for some framework, especially for Spring dependency injection and Spring framework, you really need to know. So just it's very simple, very straightforward. You can do it. How Selenium developers are making money out of it? It's a free tool. See, any open source tool, they are making money because of people donate for it. In India, we don't donate. We don't value for the, okay, don't mind, don't take it personally. We don't value for the services in India, right? Someone is working hard for you, someone is spending time so that for the community, someone is doing a lot of things for the community, for the people. We have the mindset, okay, no, everything is taken for granted, something like this. The moment we pay the money, this guy has to work for me, right? So all the open source community, especially from the different countries, let's see for Selenium, it's open source. It's coming from US, let's see, or Simon and Stewart. So they are not expecting money out of it. They are expecting a donation. People donate $5, $10, $100, $1,000. People donate. That's why they make money. They get a sponsorship, right? Big companies like Google and all these companies and good developers, so they donate for it, right? It's all about, see, in open source we say this line, give and take. If you are getting something from the community, now it's your responsibility. You got the job and everything, you have to give it back. So always try to donate. I'm not doing for myself or something. I'm not saying, hey, donate to me. No, to the community. If you go to Selenium website, there is a donate button is there through PayPal or something. You can donate over there. Same thing in Eclipse also. Eclipse is open source, but you can donate over there like that, right? So that's how they make basic money, which is needed for, right? They have to give the salary also, right, to the developers and everything. They have to prepare the infrastructure. They have to pay for it. So how exactly they're making money? Through donation only or from their pocket, right? Application I use require mouse event like drag and drop. Can you recommend if we can still use it browser headless in Jenkins? Yeah, you can use it. You can use it with Chrome headless. It will work. All the actions, methods, and everything, it will work. Okay, but don't use Phantom JS and HTML unit driver. It might get failed for most of the drag and drop options. Okay, and the mouse movement also, it won't work. Ideal QA process. Krunal is asking, can you please guide us? Ideal QA process should be in agile environment. Can we have a product not having much documentation? See, agile is totally customized. You just, वो हिंदी में कहते हैं ना, तोड़ मरोड़ के कुछ भी बना दो agile को. Agile is like that. So agile is like, you can customize your process as per your requirement, as per your team. But there are certain rules you have to follow. Same thing, it's not compulsory that, okay, every team should have the proper documentation or proper test cases and everything. It's up to you. Your team is happy without documentation, go for it. If your team is not happy, then implement it. If team is, so that's why we do a lot of retrospectives over there, sprint planning and all such things. We do refinement sessions and all those things, and then on the basis of that we improve the process, we improve the agile process, right? So typical QA process, the ideal QA process is that we follow test driven development process, we follow behavior driven development process, we don't follow any waterfall or something, right? We follow the release cycles over there, that, okay, hey, sprint one will start, QA will write the test cases, QA will write some basic automation, daily basis a milestone will be achieved, we will do our stand-ups and we will give our feedbacks and everything, what exactly kind of work that we have done, automate the things and then deliver. Every week or every 2 weeks or every sprint we have deliverables. QA will participate into UAT also. QA will release a release candidate. They will test it on QA environment, stage environment. They deliver the product to the production, and then done. sprint is over. Again, next sprint will start. Again, new user stories will be there. We will do sprint planning. We will participate into sprint planning. We will attend retrospective. That okay, what retrospective means, what exactly went well in the last sprint, in the last cycle, what exactly went wrong, how can we improve, any communication gap or any suggestions or any complaints from the team, from the team members. So on the basis of that, guys, we have to improve it. So that's very important actually. So this is a typical process, and QA is the most important part. That's why automation got popular because of agile, right? Because we really don't have time. It's very fast based process system. Within 2 weeks of sprint, we have to automate, we have to deliver, we have to test, we have to write the test cases, and we have to do the bug verification also. So that's why automation will really, really help you in agile. Okay, cool. So best tool for API. Arpita is asking best tool for API, guys. There are a lot of tools. There are tools like we have Postman, we have REST clients, we have in terms of automation. In Postman also with the JavaScript you can automate now. Apart from that, we have REST assured, we have HTTP client. My favorite is always HTTP client, although REST assured will give you very direct specific methods, but I always prefer HTTP client. Jersey client is also there. It's very lightweight, so you can try Jersey client and HTTP client, and rest assured these three things are there. But I would advise you guys, try one API automation in Python. It's very fast, very easy. The same line of code you are writing, let's say 100 lines of code in Java API automation, you can write only 10, 15 lines of code in Python for API. Amazingly good, very, very fast. Python libraries are very fast for um, client APIs. Okay, cool. So today I'm getting good questions. You guys are asking really good generic questions. Priya Brata Meti. After writing certain codes for automation framework, is it risky to save the code in respective workspace or move it to repository? Yeah, very good question. See, of course you have to, once you are ready and once you see that okay, hey, my code is at least basically fine, then you check in your code into your repository. You create your branch. Let's see, my name is Naveen. I'll create one Naveen development branch. I'll at least I'll push my code over there, and then tomorrow, if your laptop is not working, or let's see your laptop got crashed or something, at least your code is safe over there or the centralized repository. You get the PR process. PR means the code review process or pull request process, and then merge the code with the master branch. So this is the right way. So always make it a habit that okay, every day at end of the day when you're leaving, before leaving the office, you have to check in your code into the repository, or whenever let's see any test case is done, check in. Okay, nothing is available in your system, right? I mean, the locally is available, but don't keep it only in your system. Some people having really bad habit that okay, hey, they don't do check-in for 10, 15 days. It's really bad habit. And suddenly the machine is gone, Eclipse got corrupted, files are gone by mistake, they got, I mean, got deleted or something, then your code is gone, your entire hard work is gone. Right? So don't do such things. Immediately just check in the code into your repository, into your branch. Right? Yeah, location guys for this. Yeah, this thing I'll announce. Location for meetup in Bangalore on 4th May is decided. It's in BTM, and people who have already registered, around more than 200 registrations are there, but only, I mean, 80 registrations. I mean, 80 people they have already around. Sorry, 85 people are there who already paid for it. And after tomorrow I'm not gonna take any registration, so I'll update you very soon. Tomorrow you will get the final mail. Okay, it's really difficult to find a place, guys, in Bangalore, seriously. Okay, anyways, let's not talk about it. So Prabhakaran is asking, I'm 1.10 years experienced guy working in Bitdy framework, what is the right time to switch? You spend 2 3 more months in your company. Okay, get the tag of 2 years, and then later on you can switch. Okay, 1.10 is at least 2.5 years is the right time, first time. Okay, I switched my company after 2.5 years of experience first time. So I always feel that okay, that is the right time. Until unless if you are not, I mean, if you're getting some amazing good things or amazing opportunities, then go for it. Okay, be with the same company. But if you're really bored and you're not getting good amount of work, good amount of money and everything, then it's time to learn and switch the company. But 2 years at least, right? Ankit, Narang, sir, please help. Today I start to make Maven project, but I face Maven dependency and GRE dependency is missing from Maven project structure. Please help. Why and how can I solve this problem? I cannot tell you right away because I have to really see your problem because there are so many reasons behind that, right? So Ankit, please write me a separate mail or maybe ask in the Telegram group. I think I know you are there in Telegram. Okay. Priyanka Mishra, my fake experience. Oh no, please let's not talk about the fake experience, guys. Okay, not the right platform. Ping me personally about it. Selenium is totally different. Yeah, yeah, okay. Congratulations, 60K subscribers. Yeah, even I seriously, I not even realized that. Okay, we crossed 60K. Okay, but yeah, thank you so much, guys. Like, yeah, crazy, right? Like 50K just 2 months back and 60K within 2 months. Yeah, that's really good. We got extra 10K next. Yeah, so let's see by end of my prediction, according to my machine learning, we will be crossing in next 7 8 months. We will be crossing 100K subscribers very soon, according to my prediction. Anyways, so yeah, so one question for freshers that okay, people are asking that okay, hey, we got this thing. We just passed out 2014, 2015 batch. We have a career gap in our. We could not get placed because of college. There were no companies in the college or something like this. So guys, for you, I would advise you one thing that first of all, see, I get a lot of this thing a lot of questions from the different different cities. Small cities are there. Let's see in Chennai, I mean in Tamil Nadu there are some different cities are there. People that they have done recently engineering and everything, but they are not in Chennai, but they are in somewhere in Tamil Nadu, or same thing in somewhere in Karnataka, somewhere in Maharashtra. So guys, in those cities there are small cities are there, so obviously opportunities are very less. IT companies are not there. So first of all, you have to come out of that zone. You have to move to somewhere. Initially struggle, you have to do it because you have already passed out and you don't have any job. I totally understand. I don't want to demoralize you, but if you are expecting that okay, hey, someone will come, suddenly you will get a call and they will invite you that okay, hey, please come to Bangalore, this is the offer letter. No, it will not happen like this. You have to come to the right place. Come to Bangalore or come to Chennai, the nearest, okay, metro location, or go to Delhi or Gurgaon. I'm talking about in north, Pune, Mumbai. Okay, these places, guys, you have to shift. You have to go, and then people will entertain you. People will start calling you for your interviews and everything, right? And then there you can meet a lot of people, a lot of meetups you can join, a lot of training institutes are there. You can join those training institutes and everything, and then just go for it. This is the right way. It's not like okay, somewhere in some okay in some village or some small city that you stand, I mean you're sitting over there and people will call you and then you are not ready for interview. People say okay, hey, can you come today for interview, and you are, let's say, 400 kilometers from Bangalore. You cannot make it on the same day, right? So that's my personal advice, that please guys go for it. Okay, just stay over there for next 4 5 6 months in some PG or something, and then just keep trying over there. This is my personal advice. Okay, meetup, no meetup questions. Which framework, Ashutosh is asking, which framework is more demanding in Selenium? See, in Selenium, as I told you, that we have hybrid approach with data driven. Keyword driven is like, I prepared 4 5 videos on keyword driven. This is also, I mean, these days people can use it. Okay, it's up to you. But my personal choice is always to design a kind of hybrid framework with data driven approach and page object model design pattern, you have to use it. Otherwise you cannot do, I mean, otherwise you cannot make a good framework out of it. You have to use proper object oriented programming concept, method overloading, overriding, polymorphism, and all such things, and then you are good to go. You should know how to use abstract classes, how to use interfaces, how to use the parent class, child class, how to override some methods, how to call, how to design, and when we have to design the static methods for the utilities and everything. Create the wrappers, learn how to create the wrappers. This is how we teach in our trainings, right? In classroom training, this is how I teach always, that okay, how to create the wrappers and generic methods, right? So try to learn those things, and then I'm pretty much sure that you will become expert in framework designing at least. Okay. MC Share from Gully Boy. Okay. Okay, no personal comments, guys, please. Good book for Java Selenium, guys. I really don't know, like Selenium books. I mean, like why? Like there are no Selenium books. Do you really believe that okay, we are not in college, right? That you really need to learn from a book or something, right? No physical books. Everything is available on internet, right? So forget about learning something from the books now, especially for Selenium. Same theory will be there in the books. Same thing will be there. So please don't go with the books and all those things. Just go with your okay, the YouTube videos, good blogs, right? Good blogs, okay, and then open your Eclipse and then keep start okay writing the code over there. So this is the process. This should be the process, right? Not like that. Huh? I'm not saying that there are no doubt about it. There are good books on Python, right? There are good books on Java. There are some good books on machine learning and all those things where some real time examples are available. You, in those cases, you can refer. But for Selenium, no books. If you see any books on Amazon.com, please don't order. It's totally wastage of money and time. Seriously. Okay. There are a lot of, you won't believe, there are a lot of publishers are there. They always behind me on my LinkedIn that okay, hey Naveen, can you write a book for me? I mean, book for my publisher or something like. We will publish a book with your name, something like this. But I never. I mean, seriously, like I'm not interested actually, because for Selenium, like a book is like, I don't know. I don't consider that it's totally wasted of effort. There is no sense. Okay. Okay. So how to manipulate interview to make him ask what question we know? Okay. Yeah, it's a good question. Abrar Aziz is asking. So yeah, like Abrar, that I think I've already explained a couple of times earlier that uh, interview is an art, right? Interview is an art. You know a lot of things, but if you're not good at interview, how to give interviews and all those things, you cannot make it. First of all, one first thing I'll tell you that just be cool and calm. The way we are talking, right? Just be like this. If you are having confidence on your knowledge, right, then you can crack any interview. So confidence comes with your knowledge. If you know the things, but if you're not confident, then you will hesitate, and then interviewers, they won't like the okay these things, where a lot of people are there, so they don't have such kind of patience that okay, hey, this guy will explain, and then they will they will support you in between and something like this. So in that case, it's not a good thing. So just be cool, calm, get the confidence, talk whatever the sense is there. So okay, so don't ask so many personal things, don't discuss about your personal things, your problems in your life and all those things. That's the first tool always. Second tool is that you have to manipulate like this, that whatever you know, on the basis of that you just give the answer, and then so that interviewer will ask the question from your answer, and you're already about that answer, right? So this is called the diversion of the, you are diverting your interviewer mindset, and he is not aware about it. So if you know this skill, right, then I'm pretty much sure that okay, you can crack the interviews. This is the way that we crack the interview. This is the way you see that, right? Some people are not that good in technology, but they crack the interviews. They get 3 4 offers because they know how to. how to manipulate the things. I'm not saying completely fake or something like this. No fake, no show off, but you should know how to manipulate, how confident you are. And you can manipulate only when you are confident. This is very, very important, guys. Okay. Okay. So I'm in Bangalore, not in Germany now. Prashant Yadav is saying, hi, can we say interviewers directly if they ask us useless question like, no, 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 no. No, he is the interviewer, so no, please. Never say that, okay, hey, sir, hey, ma'am, this is the useless question, okay, something like this. So please, it shows your unnecessary attitude. Whatever they're asking, just cool and calm. Just you have to spend 1 hour, right, with them. You just give the answer properly. Don't worry about it. I know we get frustrated. Hey, what is this guy is asking? He doesn't know anything. But just you have to make him special, right? Although he doesn't know anything. He's a dumb guy, but still you have to make him special. That okay? Yes, you have to give that respect because he is the guy who is taking your interview. He is having the power. He or she is having the power. So guys, don't do this mistake. Don't say directly that okay, this is a useless question like static testing or dynamic testing or monkey testing or mutation testing. You just give the answers. If you directly say, obviously he is gonna reject you. He will say that okay, he is gonna give you the negative feedback about it. Okay, so please don't argue unnecessary things with these guys. Okay, so after test manager, what would be your next career move as a QA professional? Chandra Samal is asking. See, guys, it's not about what is a career. See, it's my choice. Maybe I really don't want any promotion. I really want to become, I mean, I really want to be the same guy like as did architect for next 10 years or maybe senior architect or something like this. So now your career path, I would tell you that, okay, if you are into automation, senior automation guy, SDET architect, senior SDET architect. After that, you can target for engineering head also, engineering manager, engineering head. After a couple of years in engineering head or engineering director or something, you can try for CTO. Why not? So that is my choice. That is my career path. I personally feel that okay, one day I'll become a CTO or delivery head of the company like this. So QA is not like okay, it will stop after senior QA manager or QA director. No, or VP in QA or QA head you can become, QA director you can become. QA director in a company is a very big position, right? So you are handling multiple QA managers, QA leads, and everything. That's a job of QA director, IT QA director, senior director like this. You can become a CTO also. So there is no limitation. It's not like that. Okay, there is no career hierarchy for QA guys. It is there. Definitely, it is there, right? Okay, so as a 2 years experience in automation, what are the different things you should know for a good package? See, guys, for if you really want to go to have good package, it depends first of all two things. First thing is your extra knowledge, how different you are from others, how confident you are. You are only 2 year experience guy, but you can show that okay, hey boss, I can work just like a 5 year experience guy or 7 year experience guy. You hire me, and then I'll show you my talent. And these guys they get the money like anything. Second thing is that the company. This is very important. If you are going to a service based company with a very solid, strong knowledge and the company budget is not there, then obviously you cannot expect a good package. So the first rule always follow that away. You should have your checklist for your companies. These are the companies I'm going to target: Amazon, Walmart, Facebook. Forget about Facebook. It's not that easy, but yeah, Amazon, Walmart, Flipkart, Ola. Okay, these are my companies that I'm going to target, and then I have to prepare a lot for this. 2 years or 3 year experienced guy, I'll show them that okay, how smart I am, how talented I am, and I know a lot of things. So within 2 years of only 2 years with experience, I have learned about so many things. I learned Python, I learned Java, I learned about designing the framework, web services automation, performance testing, security testing. I know all these things. So I have already made my hand dirty in all these things, and definitely I deserve for it. So these companies, they will see your talent. It doesn't matter what kind of experience you have, and then just go for it. I have seen some people, they are really crazy, like 5 years, 4 years, and they are making money, having good position in good startups because they have the talent. So talent has a value, guys, no doubt about it. Okay, so yeah, this is another question that I'm bored of QA career. Now I want to move to development. Why not? You can see, this is the problem with QA guys, that yeah, I totally understand. Even sometimes, even I feel that okay, I'm bored of automation now. Now let's do something else, right? But now I have a different situation. I have to handle this channel training. So now I have different responsibilities on my shoulder. For the community, I have to do something because we have already committed from last 2 years that okay, that so many big words that okay, we will do this, we will do this. So I have some things on my shoulder. So I have to take this responsibility. But for you guys, if you are really bored of QA, then do something interesting in QA also. Learn something new. Every day there is a learning. If you really want to move to development, then go for it. Nobody is stopping you. So it's totally your choice. Safin, I mean, Safin Shivani is asking that yeah, you can move to development. The best thing, you can learn UI development, learn good JavaScript frameworks. If you are really interesting in terms of if you are really creative in terms of designing and everything, you can go with UX also, and UI technologies you can learn. Okay, so it's up to you. Nobody is stopping you. Yassine Mohammed is asking, do you see any increase in Selenium jobs in coming 5 years? Why not? That definitely will be there. See, in Selenium, just because of Selenium, there is a huge family. We have APM, we have Protector, we have robot framework. We have so many things, right? So the market will be high. Market is very huge for Selenium family, right? So it's good to go. No doubt about it. Okay, still, I mean, if you see the market capture of Selenium, like in every company, people are using Selenium. You take any company name, you give me any company name. In fact, in Google also, people are using Selenium for their couple of projects over there. Okay, for their internal administrative tools, they are using Selenium for that. Okay, so having good market, no doubt about it. But Selenium won't only help you. You have to learn some other things, guys. You have to learn about your other automation tools. Your backend things is very important these days. People are asking backend plus front-end combination both. uh, if you are really good in backend, then only you can learn basic performance testing at the service layer and microservice layer, like this. So no doubt about it. Okay, Abhijit, I got two of okay offers from Capgemini for Mercedes Benz project. Oh, nice. Thank you so much. Mercedes Benz is a good company. Okay, so client side is Mercedes Benz and Capgemini. Yeah, good. Go for it, Abhijit. Good luck. Please suggest some good website tutorial to learn Java for Selenium to build up confidence on coding. Okay, yeah. So Geek of Geeks guy is really good. Code Chef is really advanced. You can check Hacker Rank Java interview questions. You can solve it over there. And yeah, so these are the my favorite choice always to improve my Java skills, to improve my Java knowledge. Other blogs are there, but I really don't want to take their names. But there are a lot of blogs which are totally wrong. They just do copy paste from here to here to there, and then something like this, and then some some half knowledge they just provide, and they don't write all the things over there. So Geek of Geeks, with it's amazingly good for the beginning, for a beginner. So just go for it. Okay, especially for Java, they have beautifully designed a very simple language, very user friendly examples, with a very systematic way, just go for it. Geek for geeks, right? Okay, I think guys, repetitive questions are there. Page object model. Okay. Implicitly wait, explicitly wait. I'm Java developer. Testing is beneficial for me. Why not? You can easily learn automation. You are already a Java developer. Now you just need to learn about Selenium and framework part. Then you are good to go. Okay, what is the time? Okay, guys. I think 1 second, 1 second, 1 second. I just missed it. Okay, okay. So guys, there's thousands of questions now. See, guys, seriously, I cannot take each and every question. I know people are really sometimes really crazy that please guys don't mind if I don't reply on time. Try to understand my situation, please. At least give some respect for my effort, that at least some value. I'm not expecting any, I mean, such respect, but yeah, at least there should be a value for effort, right? So please, if I don't, okay, get back to you on time, seriously, it's, and I don't know who is spreading this that okay, hey, you have to pay for it or something like this. See guys, it's totally free. Everything is free, available on YouTube. There is no a paid fee that okay, if you really want to join my group, if you really want to join my Telegram group or Facebook group, you have to pay for it. I don't know who is spreading such rumors. Yeah, aaj wala scene hua Raj, right? So please guys, nothing is like that. Everything is free except my training. So what do you expect that okay, I'll take 2 months of training daily morning 7 o'clock. I'll wake up for you guys, and then I'll give you a very hardcore training over there and free of cost. So guys, this is, please don't expect such things, right? So whatever I'm doing, all these sponsors, meetups, whatever, it's everything is from my pocket, right? I'm not asking any single money from her. So if you really want to donate, that's a different thing. So see, please don't be so sometimes unnecessary aggressive that okay, hey, Naveen is not replying, so I'm not replying because I have my personal life also. Let me spend my weekend, right? Let me spend my Sunday. So please, unnecessary guys, please just cool and just be calm. Okay, I really don't want to take someone's name. I know from where someone is coming in my group, spreading unnecessary rumors, defaming the image. I really don't care. And I have no competition with anyone. Seriously, frankly speaking, I really don't have any competition with anyone. I have stopped circulating my videos and everything in any other group because I'm already having a good follower base. A lot of, I mean, we are already 60,000 family. So I really don't need anyone. I mean, in terms of any competitor or something, I really don't. I mean, I really want to serve for you guys, and then just go for it. I'm having fun actually, right? So please don't make unnecessary rumors about it and money and all those things. I was actually laughing, and then my one of my friend actually were there at my home, and then we both were laughing that okay, what is happening? Who is this guy? Okay, jokes apart. Anyway, so 4th May, Bangalore meetup, guys. Okay, so just people who have already registered. Yeah, some surprises for you guys. Please do come, and we will meet. And I tried my best to get a good location in BTM. So BTM is the place. People who have already registered and made the registration fee, you will get the email tomorrow with the location, timing, and everything. Right. So this is a thing. Right. So I'll see you on 4th May in Bangalore. Okay. So let's see. So how exactly it will go? I'm trying my best. Some couple of other trainers and experts. We can invite them and maybe they can have some session over there. Okay. So we'll see you over there. Right. My channel will never be paid, guys. It's free of cost. I will never see how can I do that. Right. I'm not running behind the money. Yeah, for my training, obviously you have to pay for it, guys. Obviously, right? So that's a training. I'm spending 2 months with you guys, and that's the training, obviously, right? I cannot say that, hey guys, you are going for a college, and hey, college is for the study and education, then make it free. No, training is different thing, right? But my YouTube channel will be free of cost always with you guys. So you don't need to pay for anything. I'm not forcing anyone. See, guys, I told you a couple of days back, hey, if you really want to donate, just click on that join button. That is the sponsorship by YouTube, not by me. And if you see the amount over there, 150 rupees per month. The 150 rupees is nothing, right? $3 4 per month in US for US folks. So it's, yeah, that's a very basic, and it's up to you. And it will be used for the community, not for me. I really don't need money. So frankly speaking, for such kind of work, what I'm putting my effort for training for that, obviously there should be, uh, you know, there should be some compensation for that. So nothing is free in this world. Okay, cool. Anyways, too much gyan. Mobile number, don't ask directly, guys, like this, right? So mobile number and all those things. Okay, so yeah, see, one thing, guys, it's like, I mean, I really don't want to be very professional, too much professional with you guys. I really want to be a friend. We can meet, we can have fun, we can chit chat, we can help each other. That's the important thing, right? Otherwise, we cannot make a good relationship. So don't, right? Yeah, Raj, you are hungry for 500 rupees. Next time you have to be in top two. Okay. So yeah, congratulations, these two guys, Naeem and Naeem, John, and one more guy is there, right? Sorry, I forgot his name. Just a minute, let me check. Yeah, Rupam. So I have already made the Google Pay to these guys. Congratulations and thank you so much. It's 500 rupees, not 500 US dollars. Okay. So I wish one day we can give a prize money of 500 US dollars. I really wish. If I have money, definitely I'll give it. Okay. So if can someone help me in different cities? Let's see if tomorrow I want to come to Chennai or some other location. If you guys can help me out to set up a meetup over there, it will be sponsored by me. So you just need to help because I have no idea about that city. Let's say I want to go to Pune or maybe Calcutta. So if you are in that city and if you can arrange something for the meetup, definitely I would like to come. Right? Mumbai, yeah, Mumbai, Delhi, Gurgaon. Yeah, and for NCR we will have a common. Okay. So Raj, please take the responsibility for NCR. Okay, so July, August, I'm planning to go to US for 1 week at California, New York. So please, US folks, please be ready. One meetup will happen in Bay Area and one in New York. So I'm having touch with a couple of folks over there. I have a couple of friends, so we'll see you over there. Okay, chalo. Abhi I'm leaving now. And if you are not aware about my my email ID is naveenanimation20@gmail.com. Let me write it. Okay, this is naveenanimation20@gmail.com. And yeah, and another thing is that you have to, okay, if you really want to join this training batch, we are starting from 22nd April. I have added extra content over there. It's really amazing training. And I'm not promoting, but you are already aware about it. But if you are someone really interested, please do the registration as soon as possible, guys. This is something really amazingly good. I have improved a lot in terms of content, in terms of examples, assignments, and everything. Okay, so please join that if you really want to join. If you really want to have a live session or something like this, daily basis, 7 o'clock morning, 22nd April is Monday. After this election season we will have it. It will be there for 6 7 weeks, around 2 months. So amazing learning. If you really want to enroll for it, you can check it on Facebook page also. There is already information is available on my YouTube community tab also. information is available. So please enroll for it. I'll send you the details. Okay. Chalo. Cool. I'm leaving now, and I'll see you in next live session. And for Bangalore, we will meet on 4th May. Okay, in BTM. Cool. Chalo. Take care, guys. Bye bye. I'll see you. Modi. Okay, chalo. I'm leaving now. अच्छा टेलीग्राम लिंक नहीं दिया गया यार, चलो यार टेलीग्राम लिंक से लेके सब कुछ ले लो. Hmm. Okay. Sorry. Okay, so this is a Telegram link, right? So just join it. Yeah. और इतना गुस्सा मत हो अगर हो यार, राइट? इतना क्यों? कुछ लोगों का पारा चढ़ा हुआ रहता है हमेशा. इतना क्या, किस बात का गुस्सा? इट्स ऑल अबाउट लर्निंग, राइट? अगर नहीं किया रिप्लाई तो नहीं हो गया, कोई बात नहीं यार, कल कर देगा, नहीं करेगा किस कोई और कर देगा, राइट? अगर if we have Telegram group and there are so many experts, it's not only Naveen is an expert over there. No, there are so many experts. Raj is there. I mean, there are so many people are there, right? So they will. These guys are helping you out, right? So Saurabh is also there, and Ajay is there. There are a lot of people. They are people are actually helping out. So just go for it, right? It's not like okay, नवीन ने reply नहीं किया या 2 दिन हो गए तो blast, right? चलो, take care. I'm leaving now. Yeah, अपना time आएगा. Yeah, that's the thing. Okay, cool. Hmm. इतने personal questions. Where are you from? Where are you based out of? Which company? Where are you working? Graduation? Okay, chalo, jokes apart. Okay, I'll see you then. Bye bye. Yeah, chalo, bye.